are you all? I'm so happy to be here to share my views on depression and mental health in this video. I'm a little bit upset in these days to heard about suicide of my student, which is really shocking for me. After hearing that news, I have this idea. That is, I want to share certain views on this particular topic. She is such a bold girl, very good in her studies. I don't know what happened and what goes wrong for her. Typically, I can't understand anything because she has a very clear view of herself. That's what I thought. That's what we thought, the people around her. But after the incident, we were so very shocked. Even though we feel, what has happened, what would have happened to her? What's the real cause for this particular incident? So, this is the real need of this moment, to have an awareness related with our mental health. So to begin with, what is depression? Depression is a depressed, constricted mindset that happens because of our stress, worrying, anxiety, fear, everything of negative packed emotions. That is depression. Actually, that depression is the major cause for many horrible things that happen to us. We are very much obsessed with our physical health, right? We have to be fit, we have to have a compact beauty, six-pack, everything. But we are not even concerned about our mental health. What is mental health? How we have to care about our mind. The heart and the mind have to go hand in hand, right? It has to travel along with each other as a companion. Both are companion. Then only we can lead our life happily. So that depression, fear, anger, stress, anxiety, these all combine together to form a depression, which actually makes a typical big change in our thinking perception. We feel lost, we feel shattered. One fine day, we lost everything what we learned from our early days to till now. How bold we are, how scholarly person we are, how good we are, everything got shattered into pieces because of this depression. That shattered pieces will not get combined as such easily, but it can be get combined with the only being of that particular making strong of those shattered pieces is ourselves, not from others. The thing is within us. We have to face that depression on our own, because without our concern, other people can't hurt us. It's us letting them to hurt, right? Think of this. Why we are so much inferior when compared to others? Why we have to feel inferior in front of others? What's wrong? We are very good. We have learned so much. Just have a small rewind of our life from our early stage to till now. How many hurdles, how many hardships we have faced, right? Think of that. Or each and everything, a competitive world, a challenge, we faced it with a smile, we faced it with a positive approach. But it comes to the mental strain or that fear factor, acceptance of reality, facing the horrible reality. There comes the challenge, there comes the depression, right? What we do is, when we have this kind of depression, we feel so lonely and we make ourselves alone in our room. We will not open to others. We will not share our views to others. our friends, our family members, and not to anybody. We make ourselves constricted within an inner circle, and we are very much obsessed with our negative thinking. We keep on grinding those kind of negative thoughts in our mind, which create a new extreme of ourselves, embodiment of negativity, which leads to a very sorrow ending, worse ending, right? At that particular moment, we will not think of anything. We think about only thing is, I am not fit to live. I have to die. I have to finish off my life, so that only I can get escape from this kind of depressed state. How come we have that idea? What's there within us making us to think in such a way? Think of that. There will be something within us which makes us to feel so depressed, so negative. What is that? It may be of any factor. Fear, not having some kind of appraisal from others, want to have a luxury life, want to earn money so fast, fear of facing failures. It can be anything, right? Just don't let those kind of negative feelings get hold of you. Please don't let those feelings to invade you, please. Really, it's really tough, I know. Fear, anxiety, stress, it's not an easy task to handle. But if we are not handling this, who will help us? If we are not going to speak for us, if we are not going to fight for us, who will dare to speak for you? Who will dare to fight for you? Nobody is there. None will come. Unless or until the initiative has to be taken by us. Me. I have to speak for myself first of all. Then only I can ask others to help me, right? I have to open up my mind. I have to open up my negative quality. I have to open up my failure. I have to accept myself. Then only I can ask others to help me. Right? Once you get that kind of notion within our mind, means we are really going to get away without depressed thoughts. We talk, what to say, tip to toe. We get a new changed of lifestyle, new perception of us. Right? Now we start with mental health. Mental health is a very important aspect in current situation. We are now facing a very crucial time, which is not easy to handle, which is not easy to accept. Yet it's there. It's really a tough time for us. Again, we are going to face this on our own, because we are there to help others also. Some people are depending on us. We have to help them, right? Our family members are depending on us. Our friends are depending on us. Because we have that kind of promise to our kids, I will take care of you. How come we can, because of our depression, we broke those promises and have our own end of life? What made us to choose those kind of thought, choose kind of negative way of ending our life? At that moment, we forgot each and everything, the happiness around us, everything. The primary thing is take care of our mental health. All are feeling depressed. Depression is for all. No one is there free of depression. Only thing is they can handle on themselves. First thing is be lively, not to be alone. Be with your best friends. Be with the persons whom you trust the most. Share your views, share your failure, share your fear. Have your pets. Play with your pets. If you like gardening, go for gardening. If you like dancing, dance. This is your life. Don't bother of that thing. That is what I said. Rewind your life. Just think little bit of your past life, where as a child, as a college girl, how we used to be. We be bubbling with energy. We want to learn so many things. We were so brave. How come it changed because of a single obstacle in our life? Those obstacles are not even worthy of thinking. But we are giving so much of limelight or importance or worrying or cry our tears, which is most precious, valuable thing, on those unworthy, useless kind of things, worries. It may be persons, whomever it be. Face it. I accept it will not be an easy task to face it. But there is no option for us. You have to face it. There is no option B, C and all. Only option A is there. You have to face it and fight it. Fight back. Right? In that sequence, I want to share you most important perceptions of quotients, 4 Qs. We be speaking of intelligence, emotional, right? IQ, EQ. Another 2 quotients are there, SQ and AQ. Right? All the 4 quotients are very important. I accept. Intelligent quotient, we are very good in our marks, good in our grades. We have to be a successful person in our career. We have to earn money. Money is the most important factor. Do you think so? Money makes us happy? Certainly not. Certainly not. If some person, I heard some people are telling me, what's there to worry you? You are having so much of support. You are having your easily everything. If you want to get, you can easily get it. Now I am like that. Before that, my pathway is also not easy as that, right? I struggle a lot. I work a lot to reach this point, right? One fine day, all of this went like a magic. It will happen. It doesn't happen. But they will really comment on us. Sure. But the primary factor is people will comment. Only thing is, you want to react to this comment or you want to change that comment. That's your choice. First of all, I be in that position. I will react immediately. What to say? I can't control my emotions. I feel so stuck up with my thought, with my fear. My weakness is fear. Really. I will not talk back. I will not easily open up to my conversations. I will accept. Okay, fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What is there now? If I am going to be okay like that, I'm going to hit for a long time. Correct? I'm going to have my blues, my criticism, my commenting for throughout my lifetime. One fine day, I realized my spark within me, who I am, who Priya is. I was such a bold girl in my school, in my college. I'm not that much easily give upping girl. But when the situation changes, my perception changed. Okay, this is what I am given. This is what the life has meant for me. Nobody is there to decide that factor for us. I myself decided that this is what given to me. I have to accept my forehead writing. Really, I feel so lost. I feel so depressed. even though when I thought of those kind of failures, when I thought of those kind of situations where I can't even spoke back to the persons who hurt the most to my level, I feel so lost, I feel so very shattered. At that time, I reminded of one incident where when I was in 4th or 5th, I went to a hospital with my father. At that time, we are actually changing our home from one place to another place. At that time, we used to have some kind of imaginations towards ghost, right? So I asked my father, now we are going to the new home now. What if there's some ghost be there? If we get haunted, the ghost will appear in front of me. What I do, pa? I feel so worried. Our old home is safe for us, so let be there. I want to be in my comfort zone, right? And to my surprise, my father told me, Priya, some lively ghosts are around us. Why you are worrying about deadly and gone ghosts? I really shocked. What, pa? Ghost is the one thing that is actually dead. It is not lively. Is it so? What is ghost? A ghost which makes us fear, frightened thing. On seeing that, we feel so, nervous, afraid to face the situation. We want to escape from the situation. Oh, you will not face this kind of situation with a lively person? Are you sure about? At that time, I actually can't even understand what my father is telling me. But now, I clearly visualized those 4 Qs, especially the 4th Q, AQ, adversity quotient, in that story. So I start with this IQ, intelligent quotient, where we are very much obsessed with our grades, our earning money concept, want to be the top of the class, want to be a successful person. That's right. That is our intelligent quotient. Emotional quotient, how we are handling things emotionally. We have to be emotionally stable. Even in a crisis period, even in a unexpected situation, we have to have our emotions stable. That is emotional quotient. SQ, that is social quotient. According to the social environment of us, we have to change ourselves and to get fit in those social expectations. That is social quotient. We have to change ourselves. We have to inculcate certain qualities to adopt the social expectations which actually the society needs of us. Want to reach the goal of our success. So with the help of IQ and EQ, we can easily get aware of this SQ. We can do that. Plus spiritual quotient also. We have to have our spiritual uniqueness, stability, mental peace, to remain calm. If we are feeling so, so lost, we have to think in a balanced way, whether it's a worried situation or in a happy situation, right? That is actually bipolar disorder, where we feel so happy or extreme happy, we react in such a way, or we feel so lost and end of the world, we react in such a way. We have to balance the both. That will come up with the help of our SQ. All these 3 Qs come together to form our AQ, adversity quotient. Accepting the failure, fear of accepting the failure, adverse situation, sudden loss, sudden crisis. It's really tough situation where you have to accept yourself and lead your way. That's not an easy task. That adverse quotient is a really need of this moment. Really, for a parent, adverse quotient is the necessary quality which we have to teach our kids to inculcate. to face the crisis, to face the failure, to fight back. All of a sudden I lost everything. I am not having a penny in my hand, not even a single rupee in my hand. Even though in that crisis also, I should not lose confidence. I have to find some pathway to get away from those crisisful situation, right? Not all of a sudden just change of those situation, but slowly steady progression of reaching to those success, to get away those failures. That is the only thing that will help us to get our mental health, strong mental health. The initiative on the process is really honest and readily done by us, not from others. Nobody will help us. The initiation should be made by us. Others will travel along after our initiation. Our best friends or family members or the caretakers, anybody, even God. Each and everything is in our hands. So let's hope for the success, the bright change. So which road you are going to choose, the negative or the positive road, the choice is in your hand. Think wisely, think before react, think before come to a conclusion, because thinking is the only process which makes our character, which makes our who really we are. Thank you so much. Be home, be safe. Thank you.